Hey there friends, welcome back. Today it's another Valentine's Day mini folio. It's an easy and a very quick project. Let's look at what are included in the mini folio. So first let's assemble the pocket flaps, mini pocket flaps. Since I didn't print on the back, I'm just inking at the white space. You can just glue the two sides to form a pocket. I am going to stitch them, and I've also added a few more embellishments on the mini folio, like on the front a few lace details. So let's start assembling now. Both of the mini flaps will go into, I will glue them to the inside of the main panel A. And on top of it, a pocket. I will just add the pocket so that we can hide the attachments of the pocket flaps. You can either stick it directly to the panel, or you can do like what I'm doing. I'm sticking the pocket flaps to the pocket, and then I will glue the pocket along with the mini flaps to the main panel. So both the mini flaps are attached to the pocket. Now I'm just going to glue the pocket to the main to the back of the front of the panel. I'm just cutting the edges off a little bit and curving the edges off, corners. And go ahead and glue the pocket to the main panel. And rest of the pockets, I'm just going to start adding them. So both these pockets, the larger one goes first, and on top of that the medium one will go. Just glue both the pockets to the main panel B, inside of the main panel B. So you can see both the pockets have been added. Now for the back of the main folio, I'm just going to add the last pocket. So, and we have assembled the folio now. It's a very quick project, as you can see. Then you can go ahead and start decorating the folio. And I've printed all the papers that I have used for this folio is around 160 to 180. And there are a few fussy cuts that you can use to decorate the folio. And that's it. Here's the final reveal of the folio. It has this vintage shabby look, perfect for the Valentines. And a very quick project also. With cute tags and also journal spaces. So enjoy making this folio and let me know if you have any feedback. I will see you later. Thank you.